Now on Instagram, there's a feature called Instagram Instance. What this means is it's like an Instagram story, but you can view it only once. You cannot save it, and you cannot upload photos from your gallery either. Another thing is, if you open the Instagram Instance page and click any photo directly, it will be posted right away. They won't ask whether you want to post or not, it just uploads immediately. So some people may click by mistake and it gets posted directly. So if you don't want to take that risk and want to disable this Instagram Instance from your Instagram app, you can do it. In this video, we'll show you how to disable the Instagram Instance feature. First, open the Instagram application. Here you can see the message button. Click on it. When you click on that, you'll see a plus button. This is the button for Instagram Instance. If you don't want this feature, just click on your profile photo. When you click on the profile photo, you'll see 3 lines at the top. Click on those 3 lines. When you scroll down, you'll see an option called Content Preferences. Click on Content Preferences. Here you can see an option to hide Instance in Inbox. If it is turned off, you need to enable it. After that, go back and click on the message button again. Now you won't see that plus button, which means the Instance feature is disabled. But to be safer, you can also disable notifications. For this, click on your profile photo again. When you click on it, you'll see 3 lines at the top. Click on those 3 lines. Here you can see an option for notifications. Click on Notifications. When you click on that and scroll down, you'll see Instance. Click on Instance. When you click on it, you'll see that it is turned on. Just click to turn it off. You can also disable emoji reactions here. After that, notifications will stop coming. So this is how you can easily disable Instagram Instance. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.